Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of cracked heels. Cracked heels, also known as a heel fissures, is a common problem that results from a lack of proper foot care. Mostly caused by lack of moisture, dry air, unhealthy diet, wearing the wrong footwear, aging or prolonged standing on hard floors. Cracked heel also may be a result of conditions like eczema, corns and glasses, psoriasis, diabetes, or thyroid issues. Cracked heel is often accompanied by troubles like itching, redness, inflammation, and peeling skin. Ignoring the problem may lead to deeper cracks, resulting in pain and bleeding. Plus, they definitely look unattractive. So, here are some home remedies to help heal your dry, cracked heels quickly with simple ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen and bathroom. Home remedy number 1: Soak and scrub. Scrubbing away the hard, dead skin is one of the most effective treatments to fix your cracked heels. Pour a small amount of some mild body wash into a tub of warm water. Mix it with your hands to work up some lather. Soak your feet in this soapy solution for 15 minutes. Grab a MS stone and gently scrub your feet and heels to chip away the loosened skin cells. Rinse off your feet with fresh water and pat dry using a soft towel. Generally apply a foot cream or moisturizer. Repeat this treatment once daily. Home remedy number 2: Vaseline. Vaseline, being a petroleum jelly, acts as an oil-based emollient and thus repel water, preventing it from drying out your skin. Apply Vaseline evenly all over your feet at night and put on a pair of clean cotton socks. The next morning, gently scrub off the softened dead skin and wash your feet using lukewarm water. Repeat this treatment for 15 days. Home remedy number 3: Vicks Vapor Rub. Vicks Vapor Rub contains camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus in a base of turpentine oil, which act as an effective emollient, thus trapping and locking moisture in the skin. Apply Vicks Vapor Rub directly on your heels and feet. Massage gently for 3 to 4 minutes. Leave it on overnight. Wash it off with lukewarm water in the morning. Grab a pumice stone and gently exfoliate the softened skin. Finish with applying coconut oil. Use the treatment every night for 15 days. Home remedy number 4: Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another amazing treatment for cracked heels. Before going to sleep, put some oil on your fingertips and gently massage it onto your cracked heels. Slip on a pair of clean cotton socks. Wash off your feet in the next morning with lukewarm water. Use either of these treatments for 15 days to observe significant results. Home remedy number 5: Lemon soap. Lemon contains excellent acidic properties that help exfoliate your feet to shed off dead and dry skin cells and replace them with new, softer and smoother skin. Add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to warm water in a tub and mix well. Soak your feet in the solution for 15 minutes. Wash your feet thoroughly, then pat them dry using a towel. Finish with applying some moisturizer. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times a week for 4 weeks to get rid of cracked heels. Home remedy number 6: Olive oil scrub. Olive oil is packed with numerous phytochemicals and nutrients that help protect and moisturize your skin. Put 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon each of olive oil and honey. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the mixture. Mix the ingredient together to form a scrub and rub this mixture on your heels in gentle circular motions for 5 to 7 minutes. Wash your heels with warm water and cover with clean cotton socks. Repeat the process 3 times a week for 3 weeks. Cracked heels is often accompanied by troubles like itching, redness, inflammation, and peeling skin. Ignoring the problem may lead to deeper cracks, resulting in pain and bleeding. Plus, they definitely look unattractive. So apply these home remedies to help heal your dry, cracked heels quickly with simple ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen and bathroom. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.